So how to change the language? You can also use your mother tongue to practice and to learn the vocabulary if you're not very confident with the English. On the top, in your virtual classroom, you would have classes, my words and settings. Go to the settings, and here at the bottom, you might you will have two options to change the language. So the first is to use the platform to the interface in English. I'm happy with that, but my language is Polish, and I'm for example, my language is Polish. I'm choosing Polish over English or over Russian or over any other options. Here on the list of the languages, you would find Russian, English, Italian, Spanish, German, French, Chinese, Arabic, Portuguese, Dutch, Danish, Hindi, Icelandic, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, as I said, Romanian, Swedish, Turkish, Ukrainian, Finnish, Czech, and Greek. It's like a list of the languages which are popular around the world. And also you can type your phone number here, the email address, or some kind of interesting. You can also choose the time zone, where in the list of notification you could also turn off or turn on what kind of notifications you wanna know from us: upcoming online lesson, changing the lesson status, online courses, or platform news. Now, when I changed everything was in English. Remember, I still the main course that wouldn't change, and the list of the vocabulary will be in English, because we created that. You can't change it, but everything what you mark on the platform with the highlighter, everything you highlight, you can add this to your vocabulary bank. And everything would be in that language that you chose for you. We'll see, we just add this phrase to the vocabulary list, and now it's gonna be in your language. And it's also important so you could practice without any second translation, just between Polish to Russian, not to English, then to Polish, and so use this to memorize vocabulary. That's it for now. You can practice on your platform and change the language you want.